Good morning everyone! Hello, welcome back to my channel. Para sa mga bago sa aking channel, hi, my name is Pia Besmonte at ako po ay breast cancer warrior. So, in the past year and a half, I've been doing some videos na patungkol sa breast cancer so that for those who are seeking information out there from a cancer warrior, ito po yung share ko based sa aking research and based sa aking mga experience. So for today, ang aking topic ay common signs and symptoms of breast cancer. Now, I know meron akong video na na-include ko na ang mga information na to. Pero, I just want to make an updated one so that yung mga bago sa channel to, yung mga new followers na gusto lang na kung ano lang makita yung specific video na patungkol sa signs and symptoms, eto na yung video for you. If you're also someone who has a family member or who has a friend na merong similar situation, breast cancer, you might want to share this video with them, pati na yung aking channel so that may mga information pa na pwedeng ma-share sa kanila while going through the breast cancer healing journey. Ano ba ang breast cancer? So, this is the type of cancer na, of course, nagsisimula sa breast tissue. So, pwede yung mga cell ay nagpo-form into a tumor. And itong tumor na to, pwedeng isa, pwedeng marami. And for some, the tumor growth ay pupunta sa ibang bahagi ng katawan, which is what they call metastatic cancer. Pinakamalapit na bahagi, which is the lungs, yun sa mga lymph nodes, sa liver, dyan mostly kumakalat. Bagay na kailangan paiwasan. How? It's through early detection to watch out for the signs and symptoms. So, meron ako ditong listahan. Pwedeng isa lang, pwedeng iilan, or pwede rin namang lahat. Number 1, common ay ang breast lump. Which in my case, ito lang yung meron akong sign before. Nakakapa lang ako ng bukol sa aking left breast. By the way, my left breast is already removed. Yun ang unang ginawa as a cancer treatment. So, dahil medyo malaki yung, initially, maliit lang yung tumor na nakita. But when it was removed, ayun, medyo napalaki pala siya. Parang accidentally nakapa ko lang while taking a shower. Then, I had it checked. And then, yun, discover that it is a cancerous tumor cells. Number 2 ay ang nipple. So, sometimes, ang nipple ay nag-flatten or nagiging inverted. Pero mga tao na naturally inverted ang nipple. So, kung hindi naman inverted ang nipple mo, you might want to have it checked kapag ito ay nagsimula na mag-flatten or pumasok na. Third ay ang changes in the color of the breast. So, kung ang dibdib mo ay ganitong kulay, tapos ang breast mo ay nag-pink or nagre-red, pwedeng nagba-brown or nagda-dark brown, pwede ring nagba-black. Yan, isa na yan sa possible sign na kailangan mong i-consider para magpa-check na. Fourth ay change in the size or appearance or shape. So, syempre alam mo naman kung ano ang shape ng iyong breast. Kapag may breast cancer, sometimes ang iba nakaka-experience na may isang side nagpa-flatten or yung shape niya nag-iiba compared do sa isang breast or basta nagkakaroon ng irregularity sa shape or appearance niya. Fifth ay ang changes sa skin. Minsan naman yung mismong skin ay nagkakaroon ng parang dimpling or yung tinatawag nila na orange peel. Tinignan mo yung balat ng orange, di ba? Parang meron siyang butas-butas o yung sobrang lalaki ng pores. Number 6 ay ang peeling, flaking of the skin, crusting, or nagkakaroon na parang scaling, mga ganon. that's also something na hindi normal sa inyong breast. Number 7, this is not common, ay ang nipple discharge. So, kung ikaw naman ay hindi lactating mom, or kung ikaw ay lactating mom and there's something na hindi tama sa nilalabas ng iyong breast, or yung if something na sa tingin mo hindi milk, yon, kailangan talaga magpa-consult ka na. And that's also something na yung iba na experience pinagmumula na ng mga wound, o pagka naka-experience na sila ng mga nipple discharge, nagiging cause na for the breast to have wound in the nipple area. Number 8 ay ang pain in the breast area. Kung ikaw naman ay nakaka-experience ito at alam mo na hindi naman ito yung period of the month, kasi 'di ba, pagka parating na ang iyong monthly period, at least some days before the period, medyo nagkakaroon na ng breast pain, 'di ba? If sa tingin mo hindi naman ito yung usual breast pain at hindi pa naman paparating ang iyong monthly period, be careful and cautious na sa other signs and symptoms, and you might want to consider having yourself checked. Aantayin ko sa comment section kung meron pa kayong ibang topic na gustong i-discuss regarding breast cancer, kung meron pa kayong mga tanong, kung meron ba kayong gustong malaman. And if you like this video, please give this a thumbs up, and kung hindi ka pa subscriber ng channel to, please subscribe now and click that notification bell para ma-update ka whenever I upload new videos. And until my next one, bye!